Hi guys, in today's video we are going to understand consumer equilibrium in case of indifference curve theory. In this video we are going to understand indifference curve and budget line, how they form consumer equilibrium or where they find the equilibrium position. We are going to understand by today's video. Consumer equilibrium depends on consumers' income or budget. Second is market prices of two goods. Consumer income or budget, it means we are defining budget line or budget constraint, and market price of two commodities. As we are taking income, we will going to take prices of these commodities also. So consumer equilibrium by indifference curve approach. First we need to indifference curve, second is budget line. As you know, indifference curve is convex to origin and it shows maximum level of satisfaction. As we take two commodities on x-axis and y-axis, and budget line that depicts fuller utilization of income. As you know, this line is our budget line and this shows our budget constraint. As we are assuming that our budget constraint, we are taking 100 rupees. And good y on y-axis and good x is on x-axis. So we merge the indifference curve and budget line in a diagram. So what I have made, budget line that is A, B, and indifference curve that is convex to origin. Now what is the condition for consumer equilibrium? That depends on the slope. Actually, slope decides the equilibrium. Slope of indifference curve is equals to marginal rate of substitution. That is, what is the slope of indifference curve? That is change in y upon change in x. As change in y upon change in x. We can represent it through loss by gain, and we shows loss on y-axis and gain on x-axis. So generally the slope is equals to loss by gain. And what is the slope of budget line? That is price of x upon price of y is equals to price ratio. As we have discussed that budget line slope is equals to price ratio, as slope of budget line is represented by the price ratio, and price ratio is price of good x upon price of good y. So it should be equal. Slope of indifference curve should be equals to slope of budget line. Condition for this is a condition for consumer equilibrium. So we can say that change in y upon change in x should be equals to price ratio, that is px upon py. So here second condition is, first condition we have discussed that about the slope of these two, and second is IC should be convex to origin. Like indifference curve should be like this. This is the convex shape of the indifference curve, and the point where they are intersecting, this is the equilibrium condition for indifference curve and budget line for the consumer equilibrium. consumer equilibrium. Now, for example, we are taking a condition like this is again I am drawing a indifference curve. That is indifference curve and that is indifference curve 2. Now the question arises that this is also the point of equilibrium and this is also depicting the equilibrium point. The question is where the consumer is getting maximum level of satisfaction. This point is also showing consumer equilibrium or fuller satisfaction, and this point is also. And on IC1, this point is also showing maximum level of satisfaction. So, which one point is the consumer equilibrium point? That is this indifference curve where it is intersecting with budget line. As the property of indifference curve is higher indifference curve shows higher level of satisfaction. So the property of indifference curve is higher indifference curve shows higher level of satisfaction, as the IC1 is showing higher level of satisfaction with fuller utilization of our money. I hope you got the meaning of consumer equilibrium in case of indifference curve theory. These are the two conditions of slope of indifference curve and slope of budget line, and other is indifference curve should be convex to origin. And I have made these second conditions like these 2 points is also giving equal level of satisfaction. But as the property of indifference curve is higher indifference curve shows higher level of satisfaction, so the point is this, that is showing higher level of satisfaction with fuller utilization of our income.